Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy iBonds from TreasuryDirect. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now in order to buy iBonds from TreasuryDirect, we must first head over to the TreasuryDirect website. Once you are on their homepage, it should look something like this. Now from here, if you've already got an account, you can go ahead and click login here. And then you can use this page to log into your account. However, if you don't yet have an account, we can go ahead and click create a new account here. And here's how we can get started setting up our account. So first we need to choose the type of account that we're opening. Then we can provide some personal information such as our SSN, email address, things like that. And then we get onto step 3 where we have to put in stuff like our password and some security questions. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click apply now. And then from there, you will have successfully opened up your account. Now once you've done that and you're logged in, you'll be able to see a tab at the top that says Buy Direct, and we just want to go ahead and click on that. From there, we will see all the types of things we can invest in, and since we're trying to buy iBonds from TreasuryDirect, we want to go down to where it says Savings Bonds, and then go down to Series I. And as you can see, this is an accrual type security with a combination interest rate of a fixed and inflation rate, and that is exactly what iBonds are. So in order to buy them, you first have to choose the Series I, and then you can proceed with that. And then when it comes to actually buying the bonds, it is important to note that the maximum you can buy is $10,000. So if you're looking to invest more than that, unfortunately it will not be possible. And you can only do $10,000 per year. So you can do another $10,000 next year. If that's something you wanted to do. But once you've done that, you just have to complete the instructions on screen. And then you will have successfully bought iBonds from TreasuryDirect. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.